Hey everybody, it's a Ginger Optimist, and today I'm going to show you how to season your cast iron skillet. If it's a brand new skillet or if it's become rusted, this is what you would do. You're going to take like a Brillo, soapy Brillo pad, and with hot water you're going to scrub the inside, scrub the outside, and once you've done that, rinse it good in hot water, dry it thoroughly. I've already done that to my new skillet. And then you are going to take Crisco oil on a paper towel and rub it all around your pan, around the edges. Now we're going to take our pan and turn it upside down on an aluminum foil lined cookie sheet. My oven is already at 350 degrees, so I'm going to put it in the oven for an hour. After an hour, I will turn the oven off and allow it to totally cool down before I remove my pan. Once your pan has been seasoned, do not wash it with soapy water. Just wash it with hot water and dry it and put it away. Don't put it away with a lid on it though. Our cast iron skillet was in the oven for 1 hour at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we let it stay in until the oven completely cooled down. Now look how beautiful and finished that looks. My pan is seasoned, so now I will not use soap in it. I will just use hot water to clean it in the future. Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, hope you'll hit that like button. If you're not following me already, I sure hope you will. Have a great day, my friend, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless. Bye.